Hey guys, it's Zay here. So this is the laptop that I found on the e-waste bin about a week ago. And on my last video I installed Windows Vista on it. This laptop came with a Core i5 and Windows 7. So for today, I'm going to be installing Linux on it and see if I can revive it like my old MacBook. Here is a quick desktop tour for you guys if you guys haven't seen my last video, which you guys should totally see by the way. And yeah, so this old laptop is the Dell Inspirion N4050, which came out in, I think, early 2011, late 2010. And yeah, it's like a mid-range Dell notebook. Today we're going to be installing EndeavourOS on here because I've heard a lot of good things about it. And I might install a desktop environment, not a window tiling manager, because I kind of miss using a desktop environment, and I want to rise it later on. Okay, as you can see, I'm downloading it. The download size is actually quite small. It's only 3.3 gigabytes. And my cat really likes to play with my USB for some reason. I don't know why. I'm going to use the terminal to flash my USB. And I'm not going to be using Ventoy or Will USB because I think it's just easier to flash it on the terminal. So the installation on EndeavourOS is straightforward and really easy. You don't need to type in anything. Okay, so what surprised me here is that Wi-Fi works straight out of the box. You just need to connect it, open Network Manager, and then connect it. Usually it doesn't work like that. Now I'm in the install and I'm gonna install it. Also, is Linux secretly doxing me? Because how does it know I'm from Indonesia? Like, how? I've never installed Linux here. Like, dude. Yes, I can speak Indonesian, but I kind of prefer my system to be in English because you guys can understand it. Um, it already knows my time zone. Wow, okay. For the desktop environment, I'm going to be installing XFCE because it's really light. Now we just wait. Considering this laptop is from early 2011s, late 2010, this is going to take a while. And I have to angle the charger in a certain way just for the laptop to work. Okay, as you can see, it's all done, but I don't want to wake my cat, guys. Help. Alright, so I booted into the desktop, and I think it looks pretty nice compared to other XFCEs. Okay guys, so I got OBS working as you can see, and XFCE doesn't look half bad in my opinion. It needs some tweaking, okay? I think you guys can already tell from the edits that I used. I'm gonna be rising this to look like Windows XP. So like, the weird thing is, I started with Vista, right? But then I downgraded to a Windows XP laptop because the laptop with Vista broke. And after that, I stuck with that laptop up until 2016, I think, and I played Roblox on it. Okay, guys, we got fast fetch working. I'm gonna customize this in a little bit, but I haven't installed what's it called? Yay. So sudo pacman-s needed git base double. I think that's it. Oh, it's already pre-installed. Wow. Okay. Is Yay pre-installed? Oh, Yay is pre-installed. Okay. Okay, so like this is my first time using a desktop environment in a minute because lately I've only been using window managers like Hyprland. My PC and my Mac both have Hyprland, and I haven't used Windows ever since I installed Arch Linux, which is I think almost a week ago at this point. Oh my god, newbie mistake. Okay, there we go, it's cloning it. Right now I'm gonna install a wallpapers, because like it's not complete without a Windows XP wallpaper, right? So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna search for a wallpaper. Oh, I like this one. So I removed the duck thingy and now I kind of want to make this to the bottom. How do I think, oh, you uncheck lock panel. Oh, I can just do that. What? What did I do? I'm such a dumbass. You gotta press this. I am such a freaking dumbass. There we go, I think it worked. I gotta use Yay instead of sudo pacman. Oh yeah, it works. Let's go. Let's go. See, it's a Homa regular select. I found this Windows XP pixel art that I like, and I'm gonna remove the background on remove background. Also, I need to reinstall the fast fetch because the normal fast fetch doesn't support the images. I need to install fastfetch.git, I think. Okay, we've customized it, and now I'm just gonna like see where it is, like the folder. I forgot where it is. Moment of truth. Let's go. I need to change the theme though. kitten theme. Pretty cool. What do you guys think? I also changed the file explorer, and this actually looks like Windows XP. Oh my god. I think I did a pretty good job writing this. Now I can yap about like Terry Davis.
This is divine intellect. Isn't it obvious?
Oh yeah, I installed Sober already, and we're gonna test out how Roblox performs here, because Roblox is the only game I really play nowadays. I don't really play any more games other than Roblox. Okay, I'm gonna run Roblox while recording. Hopefully my recording doesn't mess up again like last time. I'm just gonna run a light game like Murder Mystery 2. Oh, but the game is surprisingly smooth. 10 FPS. Okay, I'm recording with my phone right now, but I'm getting 30 FPS. I got Minecraft working. It's version 1.1, because this is the first version that I've played. I think it released back when I was 9 or 10. And I grew up being like this fat, weird kid, and I was kind of bullied. Oh man, let's go. Okay, I think I need to decrease some of the settings, because Okay, Minecraft literally just freezes. It's not working. So, yeah, this is version 1.1. My end goal was just rising it and make it look like Windows XP, and to make it as nostalgic as possible, because I've used Windows XP for a few years back in the day.